Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Ecwid for the handmade and artisanal business easy and quick. So as we know, Ecwid is a tool that helps people make online stores. It's like a special computer program that lets you sell things on the internet. It's easy to use and can be added to websites or social media pages. So if you wanna sell things online, Ecwid can help you do it without too much trouble. So the first thing here you have to do, you have to sign up for free. So you can get started free. Now let's get started. Okay, as you see here, it will take you to the dashboard. Okay, wait a few seconds. As you see here, this is the dashboard, and here we're gonna set up your website and storefront. So click here, set up your website and storefront. Now it will take you to the editor page. So wait a few seconds. So now go to the settings and go to the template and select the topic for your business for handmade and artisanal. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one or this one here. Okay, I'm gonna choose this template and I'm gonna edit it. Okay, if the topic isn't here, you can use just a random one and edit it on your home page. So for example, here you have to edit first the header and the menu. So go and change your site name as an image or as a text. So enter your site name. After this, here you can manage this navigation menu. So if you want to change, you have to delete this menu item. Okay, you can add your own menu items here as you like. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the design. So in the design of any section on your site, you have to try your best to make your site look attractive so anyone can visit your site and attract to your business. So make sure don't forget the simple details like the font and the size, okay, the color, and also you can add the frame outline to make it more attractive, and the background you can choose your favorite one like this one here. That's it. Now let's go back. Let's move on to the next section. Now let's move on to the next section. So here you have to add the tagline and you have to change this title here. So for example, you can type handmade okay, wait a few seconds. Handmade handmade hub, like this. Here in the description you can use this you can you can use this space to talk about your product or to introduce your business. So for example, you can type welcome to our site for handmade and artisanal. The image, of course, you have to change it, so choose one from the browser. Okay, for example, you can select just a simple one like this one here. Okay, So that's it. uh, so after this, go to the design and choose your favorite design. Don't forget to change the background and the description. Okay, so that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So here, of course you have to change this image here. So I'm gonna choose this one here. Okay, so here you can use this description here to talk about your business or your experience, and why should your customers buy from you or use your services. That's it. And design, choose your favorite design. The background, you can change the color. I'm gonna change the color. That's it. So let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So here in the store section you have to create your product. So go back to the dashboard and click here, add your products or services. Now click on new product. Okay, here you have to add your products, the product gallery. So take a picture of your product and add it here, the name of your product, the ref, the weight on kilogram, and here you can customize the prices options. And don't forget the description of your product here. So that's it. Now let's go back. So if you don't, save this place here and go back to the editor and complete here the design of the background and title, the product name and the product image, and the product price. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next section. So nothing special here. Of course you have to change the description and the title, and you have to change this image here. So okay, just like this. This is just for example this image here, so you can go and choose one image from this place here from the browser. So that's it. Choose your favorite layout. Let's move on to the next section. So you can keep this image here if it's match with your business, and you can change, you have to change this description. Okay, and the layout also, choose your favorite one and make sure don't forget the simple details. Okay, so let's move on to the next section. So the same thing as normal here, nothing special. So change the image and change the title, don't forget the layout, and that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on to the next section. You can use this description here to talk about your experience and your story, your what makes you start your business, and the quality of your business, and uh, what where are they made your products, and what makes them unique. So that's it. Now let's go back, let's move on now to the next section. So nothing special here, change just the image and the description. So this is the same thing as normal. Go back and let's move on now to the next. So also here you can change this, you have to change the description of for the delivery information. And that's it, the last section, the contacts. So here you can use this description here, we are always happy to see you. Okay, and the image, of course you have to change it. And here you can enter your business address, and you have to enter the daily hours and the contact information and the social profiles. And the design, I rather to choose this one here of the map in the background. It's much better than the other ones. That's it. After this, go back the last section here, the footer section. So you have to enter your company name for the copyright. If you want to add something new, just click here add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your homepage. So that's it. If you're done from designing your website, just publish it. Now you can start selling and start your business. Now your site is published, so you can start selling. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.